Hi, and welcome to HappyKittyCrafts. Today we're going to be making the glittery alpha bracelet. And this is perfect if you're intermediate or beginner, and it's really easy. As long as you know the 4 basic knots, you're good to go, and it's going to be easy to make because it's mostly about the material rather than about any challenging pattern that you have to do. And it just requires a lot of patience, that's all. So DMC embroidery threads come in a lot of colors. They also come in glitter form, which is awesome. They look awesome, but they're a bit of a pain to deal with because these glitter threads are rough and they tend to separate, and you'll see as I work, you'll see how that goes and you'll get what I mean. So we start off by laying out our threads and then tying the glitter thread to the first, like with a double knot. And then with the second, we do a backwards knot. And then we just keep on going and doing backwards knot until we reach all the way to the left end. Then we start a new line. I'm just adjusting it here so that doesn't skew. And we start a new line and we do a forward knot until we reach all the way to the other end. And then guess what we have to do? We're gonna start a new line and we're going to do a backwards knot again. So basically that's the whole technique. If you haven't done an alpha bracelet before, an alpha pattern bracelet before instead of the 1-2-1-2 bracelet pattern, then congratulations, you're doing it now in this one. And that's just what we're going to do. These are the steps that we're just going to continue repeating. At some point I do put some fabric glue on the top frizzy part because I wanted to cut it off. It was really annoying me and I couldn't wait until I finished. When you're done and it's at the length you want it, you're going to braid the end, tie it off in a knot, and then cut off the excess. Keep the excess because you can always make another bracelet or a ring or a keychain from that, so never throw excess thread away. Here you go, this is the end result. It's really easy, and again, as I mentioned before, it's not so much about a new technique, it's just a new design or style, I guess. And I thought maybe it might appeal to someone out there. So if you did like this video, give us a like, and hope you have a great day. Bye.